Setting up FIFA 24 to manage high ping can enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your connection and gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet speed. Use an online speed test tool to measure your current internet speed. A stable connection with low latency is essential for online gaming. Aim for a download speed of at least 3 Mbps and an upload speed of 1 Mbps. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Connect your gaming device directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. Wired connections are generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi, reducing the chances of high ping during gameplay. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications and downloads running on your device. Background processes can consume bandwidth and increase ping, affecting your gaming performance. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and prioritize gaming traffic. Look for quality of service courteous settings that allow you to allocate more bandwidth to your gaming device. Additionally, ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Step 5. Choose the right server. When starting FIFA 24, select a server that is geographically closer to you. This reduces the distance data must travel, which can help lower your ping and improve your overall gaming experience. By following these steps, you can better manage high ping in FIFA 24 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.